What happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day? Running is an easily accessible and highly beneficial form of physical activity. However, initiating a regular running routine can be challenging. Once you overcome this hurdle, your body can experience a multitude of positive changes. Improved cardiovascular health, increased lung capacity, weight loss, stronger bones, better mood, improved sleep, and increased endurance are some of the benefits of running daily. You may find it informative to watch the video until the end. Let's begin. First, you will be happier. To start, running can enhance your happiness. Scientific research indicates that just a 30-minute jog can improve the mood of an individual grappling with depressive symptoms. The pace at which you run is not a significant factor in experiencing this positive effect. Even running at a walking pace can achieve this outcome. Furthermore, running for an extended duration prompts the release of endorphins in your body, giving rise to a sense of euphoria known as a runner's high. Additionally, running can facilitate the burning of numerous calories. You will burn a lot of calories. Running demands a substantial amount of calories. For instance, an individual who weighs 70 kilograms and runs at a moderate pace will expend 20 calories per minute. Within 30 minutes, they will consume a total of 366 calories. These numbers pertain to running on flat terrain. However, if you run uphill, against the wind, or increase your speed, you will burn even more calories. You will have strong knees. Contrary to widespread belief, running can be beneficial for knee health. Researchers have discovered that individuals who run regularly are less susceptible to experiencing knee pain than those who do not engage in this activity. This is due to the fact that running enables people to maintain a normal body mass index, as well as strengthening leg muscles and bones. Every time you land on your feet while running, your muscles, tendons, and ligaments are subjected to stress. As a result, they adapt and become more robust. Unlike running, walking, swimming, and other non-impact exercises are not as effective in enhancing your muscles and bones. You will have a healthy heart. Aerobic exercises aid in strengthening the cardiovascular system. Interestingly, you do not have to run for an extended period to achieve the benefits. Just 10 minutes of leisurely jogging can lower the chances of developing cardiovascular ailments. However, it is vital to engage in this activity every day. Your brain will work more efficiently. If you find yourself struggling to recall what you ate for lunch yesterday or can't seem to locate your keys, it might be helpful to put on your sneakers and start running. Research indicates that engaging in aerobic exercises, which elevate your heart rate and cause you to perspire, can enhance brain function. You will sleep better. Researchers conducted a small study and discovered that individuals who engaged in moderate-paced running at least 5 times per week for 30 minutes experienced an improvement in their sleep quality, which, in turn, had a positive effect on their mental state. Your immunity will be strengthened and you will get sick less. Although we've highlighted several advantages of engaging in aerobic exercises, there are many more. One of the benefits is that engaging in regular aerobic exercise for at least 30 minutes can diminish the likelihood of succumbing to different types of cancer. You will have beautiful legs. The body's largest muscles are concentrated in the lower portion of the body, and running provides a comprehensive workout for all of them. This activity helps to strengthen the hips, calves, and buttocks all at once. However, running does not solely target the legs. The abdominal and back muscles are also involved in stabilizing the body while running, resulting in a full-body workout if done consistently. How to run every day safely. To prevent running injuries, it is essential to follow these straightforward guidelines. Firstly, ensure to purchase running sneakers, as regular shoes are not designed for running and may not protect you from injury. Secondly, gradually increase the intensity of your workout and consider adding other activities such as swimming or cycling to your routine. Thirdly, perform exercises that target different muscle groups. Fourthly, do not forget to warm up before your workout and stretch after to avoid muscle strains. Lastly, it is advisable to seek the guidance of a coach who can identify any technique errors and assist in correcting them. Street versus treadmill. When it comes to the age-old question of whether it's better to run on the street or on a treadmill, there are various factors to consider. For many runners, the weather conditions in their area can make running outdoors difficult or even impossible, making the treadmill an attractive option. Additionally, gyms with treadmills offer a stable, controlled environment that can be especially helpful for beginners. However, running outside has some psychological benefits, such as a sense of movement and easier adherence to training goals. One key factor to consider is air quality. For those living in areas with high levels of pollution from cars or factories, outdoor running can result in the accumulation of harmful metals in the body. In such cases, running on a treadmill in a gym with filtered air can be a better option for overall health. Conversely, for those living in areas with clean air or near a park, outdoor running can provide the added benefit of increased oxygen intake. To avoid injuries, runners should always warm up before and stretch after their workouts, and gradually increase their training load over time. It's also recommended to cross-train with other activities, such as swimming or cycling, and to incorporate exercises that target different muscle groups. Investing in a pair of proper running shoes is also important for injury prevention. Finally, working with a coach or trainer can help identify and correct any issues with running technique. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.